In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a ribbon shape using Elementor Free on WordPress, using a simple CSS trick that works without Elementor Pro. This is perfect if you want to add a stylish ribbon badge to highlight offers, featured content, or special sections on your website without installing extra plugins. If you're enjoying Elementor tutorials like this, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future WordPress and Elementor tips. All right, let's jump right in. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. From here, navigate to the page where you want to add your ribbon shape. Click Edit with Elementor so we can start customizing the page layout. Once Elementor loads, scroll to the section where you want the ribbon to appear. This could be under a grid, a card layout, or any section where you want a visual highlight. Next, add a heading widget under your grid or section. This heading will act as the base for the ribbon shape. Type in any placeholder text for now because we're not actually going to show the text itself. After adding the heading, go to the Style tab and change the text color to invisible or transparent. This ensures the text doesn't show while still allowing us to use the widget structure for styling. Now comes the key part. With the heading selected, switch the widget type to HTML. Inside the HTML widget, paste in your ribbon code. This code creates the ribbon structure using simple HTML and CSS, and it works perfectly with Elementor Free. Once the code is added, you should start seeing the ribbon shape appear on your page. After that, click on the Advanced tab of the widget. This is where we'll fine-tune the appearance. Go to Background, then click on Image. Upload or select the image you want to use for your ribbon. This could be a custom ribbon graphic or any image that fits your design. Adjust the background position and size if needed so the ribbon aligns perfectly with your layout. Take a moment to preview the page and make sure everything looks good. You can duplicate the ribbon, move it to other sections, or adjust spacing to fit your design. The great thing about this method is that it's lightweight, flexible, and works entirely within Elementor Free. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to make a ribbon shape using Elementor Free with a simple CSS trick on WordPress. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Elementor and WordPress tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.